So here's something else you didn't expect to see in this small little Swiss city. Some Roman ruins. Wow. So I believe this is a Roman amphitheater. So I guess this, or maybe they did things inside. Good afternoon, everybody. We just arrived in the smaller town of Brugg here in Switzerland. It is May 26th, 2023, and we're just going to give you a quick walking tour of this nice little town here in Switzerland. Normally we do like walking tours of big cities like Bern and Zurich and other European cities like that, but sometimes when you go to a smaller town you get a different experience. So I'm gonna walk you around this very typical small Swiss town here and just show you what the average Swiss village will show you. So first we're gonna walk down this road. Found a couple of Roman ruins they have right here in the city, so we'll go check those out, and then we'll probably take a walk by the river and go through a little bit of Old Town and just enjoy another beautiful day here in Switzerland. Okay, so this is a little weird, but so there's some Roman pottery found, and it said it was right here, but this is a parking garage. And I'm like, a parking garage? How is there Roman pottery in a parking garage? Well, in Switzerland, there is. So here, you see parking garage, and here is this Roman ruins, and the pottery they found right here. And they're probably digging up this parking lot. So, I know it's a famous saying for me, but again, the Romans are leaving their trash everywhere for everybody else to clean up. Wow. Does it say about how old this is? It looks like they dug it up maybe from 2006 to 2009. It's all in German, so it's an oven. Oh, is that what that is?
Yeah.
Cool. So it's the oven right there. Something else here, I don't know.
That's whatever this thing is. I would assume.
The three Sichtbaren. I don't know what that is. So, not exactly what you expect in a parking garage, but you get that here in Europe sometimes. So let's go find the next bit of Roman ruins. So here's something else you didn't expect to see in this small little Swiss city. Some Roman ruins. So I believe this is a Roman amphitheater. So I guess this, or maybe they did the things inside. Oh, look at that. Wow. This is surprisingly complete.
And big.
Yeah, so I guess maybe there's jousting or whatever activity they got going on here, and everybody else is, I don't know if these were seats or if it was just like standing room or what. Maybe there were seats in this hillside here. But the Romans were here. Where weren't the Romans is the good question. Everywhere we go, we're finding more and more Roman ruins. This must have been some type of entrance or something here. I don't know. So here's some of the information about it. So it was a wooden amphitheater built in the reign of Emperor Tiberius, 14 through 37 AD, in of the 13th Legion. The seating, let's see, was replaced after a fire. It was replaced by this 21st Legion with a larger stone structure, which is visible today. So that's what was. There was a strong wooden structure before, and now the stone structure was put in after the fire. The seating area holds 11,000 spectators, divided into various tiers. The oval area measures 64 by 52 meters, is the largest of 7 known amphitheaters in Switzerland. However, the outer dimensions of 111 by 99 meters, the building is considerably smaller than the largest Roman amphitheater, the Colosseum in Rome, which would have sat 50,000. Wow. So animal hunts would have been in there, gladiator fights, political interest for organizers. Let's see. The first excavation of the amphitheater took place in 1897. Since then, the building was owned by the Swiss Confederation. It was renovated from 2006 to 2010. We got a bone I found. Anything in there you can see?
I can't really see. Maybe there's a light.
Cool. So they would have
the bone they found.
apparently, yeah, in the amphitheater. It's a replica. Camel. I think it's a camel.
Oh, that's why the camel sign.
Yeah. Fußknochen eins Camel.
Who's trying to shoot this thing?
So some type of camel bone. So they would have had. So they had animal hunts in there, and gladiator fights. So let loose an animal of some sort, and you'd watch the guy hunt it down and kill it, and then they'd have humans fight each other. Right here in Switzerland. Very cool. You would have never expected something like that here. It is. Actually, this is just unexpectedly awesome. Really cool. Wow. What a cool thing that you'd never know was here. So, we're gonna head back in towards town, show you a little bit of Old Town, and get to the river, and then we'll probably end the video. But what a cool little town. This is the type of place you want to live. You get a little bit of history, get a little bit of water over by the river. You got a university here. Nice houses here with actual like lawns, gardens, you know, like you actually have some space to play, you know, cube or other games. Very cool. See, I surprise you with some of the things I find, don't I?
Yeah, actually. That's pretty cool.
That's like, we saw a couple of things like that, like in Bosnia and stuff, that were kind of rivaled that, but that might be a little bit better than even some of that stuff. So let's go ahead, head back, camel this way, and let's get into the Old Town area and just check it out real quick. So welcome to Old Town Brugg here. So we got like this one of these really walkable market areas that you see in a lot of cities. This is awesome actually. I think the only thing that's different is actually has like modern bricks. Usually here in Europe you'll see the old stone everywhere, but they've pulled this up at some point and replaced it with more modern bricks. So we're kind of on the hunt for like a slushie or ice cream right now. Gelato. So we'll see if we can find something good. And we're gonna try to get to the Ari River, which is straight up ahead. Get some views of the river. Very cool place. Wish we had places like this to just walk around and shop, get some good food. Very envious of everything here in Switzerland.
Merchandise.
At the river. This is the Ari River, if I'm pronouncing it right. Comes right through town. Wow, that's pretty cool. And continues on there. Very cool. I like how they got the big walls here on the sides. Wow. Check on the other side real quick. Yeah, look at that. I think there's somebody out there like swimming. Pretty cool. So we're gonna wrap the video here. So I hope you liked the video. This quick little walking tour through Brugg. Really nice little town here in Switzerland. So if you liked it, hit the like button. Comment, any comments or questions? And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Until then, we will see you in the next one.